Alright guys, we're here at the New Balance. It's another store I haven't done a video in before. So let's go see what they have on sale. It looks like they have 30% off on stickered items. So let's go see. So you guys, they have these 993s for $159. And they have a promo, buy one get one, 50%. For this gray colorway. And they have like the silver black one as well. So you get one for $160. Get another one, it'll be 75 bucks. So $225 plus tax. And we're just gonna go down the aisles for you guys. You have the 880s. You have these different promos. These items are here. 860s. And the ones like I mentioned earlier, the one with the tags, like these ones have an additional 30%. It's around $70 for the 1260s. So. Alright guys, I'm just gonna do a quick rundown for you guys. So you can see we're at the running shoes. Just in these, and of course, you know, at New Balance, they come in different sizes. You have like your standard medium, and of course, you go up to 4E. There's a couple more in different sizes as well. So if you have extra wide foot, you're pretty good at, you know, trying to find your shoe. Alright, they have these running shoes here. PRC. I'm not sure if you like that one. Yeah. Alright, and you have like these trail shoes outdoors in different colorways. 573s. Yeah, I'm here at the clearance or the hash wall version here at New Balance. So they have them different models, open tops. They're priced accordingly. And your walking shoes, almost like orthopedic shoes. And you have your additional models that are available. And they have the 997s here, 69 minus 30%, so it's around 48 bucks. And this is another 997. I'm not sure it's no. Okay, we're at the women clearance or the hash wall. Just checking to see if there's anything that stands out for you guys. And we got the kids here. Yeah, the kids. And their sale tags, buy one get one 50% off as well. And some are like the yellow tag, which has the 30% off. Yeah. And you want to start them out, you know, you have 993s for kids or infants in different colorways, and 515s. Alright, and I'm here at the women's section. Of course, they have the 993 versions for the women. Same promo as the men. It only comes in that gray colorway. So run down for you guys in the running section for the women. Okay guys, just down the aisle for you guys. Alright guys, here we go. We have training shoes here. So 608s. And you have these white, gray, and blue. And of course guys, you have the apparels here, from joggers to shorts, socks, tops. Video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have, thank you again. Please like, comment, and share. Until the next time, you guys.